Izumi Blue. Now, Izumi Blue. Blue-haired otaku Konata says, "Holy shit, his voice sounds like he is fucking choking on dick. He might as well stuff his own cock in his mouth and say weeaboos blah 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 blah. Also, calling me a weeaboo is a very bad idea because last time someone did that, I choked them unconscious and left them knocked out inside a dumpster I took a shit in." Whoa! No! Whoa! This is a real human being! What a fucking legend! Oh! 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 Yes! Yes! Ah! I want to die!